If Lucidchart is showing a rendering error, freezing, or not loading your diagram properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your workspace working again without wasting time. These troubleshooting methods are simple, safe, and work for most browser-based rendering problems. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, let's start with the easiest test. Open your Lucidchart diagram in an incognito or private browsing window. This is important because it helps you figure out whether the issue is coming from your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. If Lucidchart loads correctly in private mode, that usually means your normal browser session has something interfering with it. If that happens, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to your history or privacy section, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select all time so you remove everything that could be causing the conflict. Then check cookies and cached images and files and clear the data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, sign back into Lucidchart, and test your diagram again. This step alone fixes a lot of rendering issues. If the problem still continues, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other add-ons can interfere with Lucidchart's rendering engine. Open your extensions or add-ons manager and disable them one at a time. After each one, reload Lucidchart and see if the diagram loads properly. This helps you identify the exact extension causing the problem. If you find one that breaks the page, leave it off for Lucidchart or remove it completely. Also, make sure third-party cookies are enabled in your browser settings. Lucidchart can depend on certain browser permissions and account integrations, and if cookies are blocked, rendering or loading may fail. So check your privacy settings and allow third-party cookies if needed. Now let's move on to graphics-related settings. Lucidchart uses WebGL and browser hardware acceleration for smoother canvas rendering. If your graphics driver, browser, or device is having trouble, you may see blank content, slow loading, or a rendering error. In Chrome, for example, go to Settings, then System, and look for hardware acceleration. Toggle it off if it's currently on, or turn it on if it's off, depending on what your browser and device respond to better. Then restart the browser fully and test Lucidchart again. If you're still having issues, try opening the diagram on another browser or another device. Sometimes the problem is tied to one specific browser profile or an outdated browser version. Updating your browser can also help because rendering bugs are often fixed in newer releases. If your diagram is still not loading, there may be a corrupted file or a temporary service issue, so wait a few minutes and try again. The key is to troubleshoot in this order: private window, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, check third-party cookies, and then adjust hardware acceleration or WebGL-related settings. That sequence usually gets you to the root cause much faster. If this video solved your Lucidchart rendering error, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.